Hey guys, so a quick one. If you ever experienced this where the Wi-Fi doesn't appear, then one thing you can do is to reset the driver, the Wi-Fi driver. So just press Control, just press the Windows flag and X. Then this is going to appear, and then you press M, or you go here to Device Manager. Press M. Then just wait for it to load. Then when the device manager pops up, you navigate to network adapters, and then under network adapters, our drivers are going to be different, so you have to look for one that has wireless and dual, or in my case you see I have two. It's this one and this one. So because I already know that this one is the one that controls the Wi-Fi for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. You first have to select it and then click on disable, and then give you this pop-up, and then you click on yes. Then immediately you enable it at the same time, and then it's going to refresh. And then if you're not sure after you disable this and enabled it again, just go back and check. As you can see, it's now fine. But if that wasn't the case, you could also click on this and then disable it and enable it again, and then it has to be fine. Hope that helps.